Basically, as you're aware that the different NDA partners throughout the Northeast have come together to ensure that the NDA comes out successful at the national elections. And in the spirit of Team NDA, different partners are sponsoring different candidates in different states. Like in Manipur, in one seat the NPF and another seat the BJP. In Nagaland, the NDPP. In Arunachal, the BJP. And in Meghalaya, the NPP. And hence all the NDA partners have spoken to each other. I spoke to Mr. Pema, I spoke to Manipur CM, Arunachal, Nagaland CM, and we have discussed and we have worked out on how we can support each other jointly so that we come out successful in the Lok Sabha elections. So all the NDA partners are working as one. So in that spirit, like I had made visit to Nagaland and expressed my support for the NDPP candidate in Nagaland, the BJP had given a statement and given their support for the NDA candidates, again NPF in Outer Manipur, Nagaland in NDPP in Nagaland, and NPP in Meghalaya. And hence it is obviously the duty of the NPP to meet the different parties and leaders who are extending support. Many people from today Congress, many people from TMC also have now left. Some have not left and yet they're supporting us. TMC does not have a candidate here. They've extended their support to our candidature. So likewise today, I have asked the BJP leaders to call their karyakartas and their different mandal presidents and different organizational heads. And number one, of course, express my gratitude for their support to our candidature and requested them to work hard so that the NDA candidate wins, and also shared and discussed some of the different ways and means in which we can move forward. So today's purpose was really to thank the leadership of the BJP, especially because, as I said today, we've called all the karyakartas of the BJP for having supported the NDA candidate, which is sponsored by the NPP in the state of Shillong. That was Marak has left, but he has come and saying he has joined the NPP only now.
That's what I'm saying.
There's no dissentiment. All they said was that instead of supporting indirectly, we'll be happy to come directly and join. So this is not disgruntlement in the BJP. So that's wrong assessment, because whoever is left, as I said, is still with the NPP or the NDA fraction. This is all politics. In Manipur, in Arunachal, there is a different support for our BJP candidates. NDPP support is being given to an NDPP candidate by the NPP. Does that mean that the NPP MLAs will and the candidates and the party workers will shift to NDPP now? These kind of things are local dynamics that sometimes happens in politics. But one cannot see this kind of micro, situations that happen only from the political point of view. We have to see the national overall scenario and the national picture and the macro picture. And the macro picture is that maybe after a very long time, the NDA is today working together and working as a team to ensure that we come out victorious in this election. And that's the larger message. Smaller micro details and micro events will happen, and those is natural in politics. It's all about individuals and leaders and voters, and it may not be possible for us to 100% influence everything, but we expect that 99% will be able to get things. To ask the BJP leadership, that I'm not sure, that I cannot speak on their behalf, but whether they come or not, what is more important is the local leaders, the local grassroots workers. Those are the real people that will make the difference at the grassroots level, and we are happy today that a great response was there, and most of the leaders of the BJP, especially from the Khasi Hills, Jayanti Hill region, have today attended this meeting and are satisfied, have expressed their concerns, and we have tried to address as many of the concerns, and we are sure that as a united NDA front, we will be coming out victorious in both the seats.